This footage captures the sheer physical mass driving the global economy. Maritime ports serve as the primary circulatory system for international trade, directly processing and facilitating over 90% of all globally traded goods. The operational efficiency of these hubs directly dictates the stability of the international supply chain. When geopolitical volatility and conflicts sever traditional maritime routes, such as recent disruptions in the Red Sea, shipping services from India to alternative West Asian ports are forced to more than double their transit times. This requires the evacuation of stranded cargo via overland routes, directly driving up broad inflationary pressures across manufacturing and retail sectors. Historically, port operations have relied on highly subjective, labor-intensive methodologies. Manual tallying of cargo, handwritten condition reports, and visual equipment inspections are inherently vulnerable to cognitive fatigue and human error, creating physical bottlenecks that cannot safely scale to meet modern throughput demands. To insulate against these macroeconomic shocks, terminal operators are executing a structural transition to automated infrastructure. They are replacing manual record-keeping with edge-computed, AI-driven computer vision to automate the processing of visual data in real time. Deploying automated perception at this scale establishes a centralized, verified version of operational reality. By replacing subjective human observation with mathematically precise data, terminal operators aim to identify and resolve bottlenecks before they trigger cascading failures across the global logistics network. This image illustrates the historic primary bottleneck of port operations, the terminal gate. When receiving personnel must physically verify shipping documentation and manually enter identification codes, the process collapses during peak logistical periods, generating severe dock congestion and prolonged dwell times. The delays at the gate are only the immediate consequence. Manual data entry inevitably introduces typographical errors. These incorrect identification codes propagate downstream through warehouse management systems and enterprise resource planning platforms, creating severe inventory inaccuracies that demand extensive administrative reconciliation. Early attempts to automate this process utilize traditional line scan optical character recognition. These legacy systems required massive capital expenditures to construct proprietary sensor canopies. Because they relied on stitching together multiple static photographs, they routinely failed to match hard-coded character patterns the moment the camera lens was subjected to rain, dirt, or intense sun glare. The current frontier of gate automation discards those rigid hardware dependencies entirely. Modern computer vision architectures are software-centric, utilizing standard, off-the-shelf Internet Protocol cameras bolted directly onto existing streetlights. Rather than isolated static images, these deep learning algorithms process continuous, high-definition video streams. Capturing thousands of individual temporal frames per vehicle transit gives the inference algorithm a rich enough dataset to defeat motion blur and adapt to partial physical obstructions in real time. Extracting accurate text from the side of a massive, heavily weathered industrial box requires a specialized dual-network deep learning pipeline engineered specifically for complex topographies. The Container Code Localization Network uses ResNet architectures to scan the corrugated surface and isolate the spatial location of the text. Then, the Container Code Recognition Network takes over. Combining convolutional neural networks and long short-term memory modules, it instantly converts the image into machine-readable characters. This execution occurs in less than a second. As a truck passes through the gate without stopping, the system simultaneously extracts BIC codes and ISO classifications and tare weight markings, enabling intelligent, real-time mathematical mapping of the haulage vehicle to its assigned cargo. Deploying a software-first model radically alters the acquisition economics of port automation. By retrofitting existing camera networks, terminal operators can achieve highly accurate, continuous data capture while completely decoupling that capability from the immense costs of heavy civil engineering. Accelerating gate throughput solves the congestion problem, but it brings us to the economics of liability. Shipping containers endure extreme physical stresses and dynamic oceanic forces. If a unit arrives at a terminal gate bearing pre-existing structural damage, and that damage is not formally recorded at the exact point of entry, the terminal operator frequently inherits the legal and financial liability for the ruined cargo inside. Human inspectors are structurally inadequate for managing this risk. processing thousands of truck movements per shift makes it impossible for a person to consistently identify hairline fractures or slight inward deformations while maintaining the mandated velocity of gate operations. To neutralize this financial exposure, ports integrate specialized container damage detection platforms. These automated systems utilize deep learning analysis to conduct comprehensive 24/7 condition monitoring of every transiting asset. Algorithms analyze the continuous surface to detect dents and bends, pinpointing anomalies and quantifying geometric severity to determine stacking integrity. Specialized edge detection filters then identify deep microcracks that could allow water ingress. Finally, colorimetric analysis tracks oxidative wear and rust, enabling predictive maintenance before catastrophic failure. While massive structural deformations are relatively straightforward to flag, the most computationally complex challenge involves cargo security, specifically inspecting the container's minute, low-contrast lead security seal. Traditional object detection fails here because the seal is a tiny, low-contrast target, causing false negatives. Implementing nanocenter-net and G-focal loss solves this. This optimization allows the detector to instantly locate the object against cluttered backgrounds, achieving sub-pixel damage discrimination using standard seal geometry. Operating on 1080p video at 30 frames per second, this end-to-end framework eliminates the motion blur inherent to vibrating industrial machinery, verifying security without requiring a human to dangerously approach the moving truck. These specialized AI recognition modules systematically replace subjective, handwritten gate reports with an indisputable, time-stamped digital record. They provide absolute legal proof of a container condition, neutralizing massive vectors of financial loss for the terminal. This photograph shows the quayside, the critical velocity interface where massive vessels are loaded and discharged. Here, spatial precision dictates the economic efficiency of the entire port. To operate ship-to-shore cranes, modern terminals deploy multi-camera arrays that calculate the precise geometrical coordinates of the container spreader, enabling automated micro-adjustments with centimeter-level precision. The high-fidelity data generated by this quayside perception feeds directly into the scheduling algorithms governing the next frontier of maritime automation: unmanned, battery-powered heavy-duty fleets operating seamlessly alongside human personnel in mixed traffic modes. To navigate the chaotic topology of a working dock, vehicles like the Q-Truck utilize a stereo pyramid transformer architecture. By parsing complex binocular and monocular visual data layer by layer, the system achieves sub-meter distance accuracy, detecting low-profile obstacles like dropped mechanical tools or concrete curbs. Furthermore, this architecture incorporates semantic attention mechanisms. It doesn't just see objects, it probabilistically calculates the impending movement trajectories of surrounding entities, allowing the massive vehicle to execute gentle, human-like preemptive evasion maneuvers well in advance of a potential conflict. However, there is a fundamental safety flaw in traditional semantic object detection. It relies entirely on pre-classified categories. If an algorithm is trained to recognize a truck, a person, or a crane, it risks completely ignoring an unclassified or highly abnormal physical shape. The critical layer of safety redundancy comes from implementing 3D occupancy perception, an approach that operates entirely geometry first. On the left, semantic detection labels the truck and crane, but ignores unclassified fallen mechanical debris. On the right, 3D occupancy perception renders a dense voxel grid. Rather than categorizing, it simply determines the physical space is occupied by matter, treating it as an obstacle. These autonomous fleets must operate continuously through severe weather events, including intense sun glare, torrential downpours, and dense sea fog, necessitating multi-source redundant sensing to prevent paralysis. The vehicles execute feature-level deep fusion. As shown in this diagram, if an optical camera feed is completely whited out by glare or fog, the system immediately fails over to ultra-wide-angle LiDAR. The algorithmic logic mathematically integrates the rich semantic details from the camera with the millimeter-level spatial geometry of the lasers. Heavy industrial autonomy is not achieved simply by recognizing semantic labels. It requires mathematically guaranteeing absolute spatial clearance and continuous cross-validated redundancy. This photograph demonstrates the immense scale of maritime hull inspection. Under strict international regulations, vessels must undergo mandatory docking surveys. physically removing a massive commercial vessel from the water into a dry dock to allow human surveyors to execute close-up structural examinations results in severe operational downtime and extreme financial costs. Early attempts to keep the vessel in the water utilized remotely operated underwater vehicles. However, these systems simply shifted the operational bottleneck, generating terabytes of raw subsea video that overwhelmed inspection teams and required hundreds of hours of manual analysis. The integration of advanced computer vision resolves this data overload. Modern autonomous underwater vehicles carry onboard AI defect detection models that process subsea images in real time as the robot glides along the submerged hull. In this subsea feed, the AI executes highly precise instant segmentation tasks. It automatically generates color-coded masks that mathematically isolate the proliferation of biological biofouling, advanced oxidative corrosion, and microscopic structural cracks long before they compromise seaworthiness. By combining sophisticated object detection networks like Yellow V5 with simultaneous localization and mapping algorithms, these robots autonomously navigate the complex underwater environment and construct highly detailed 3D models of the hull without requiring human piloting or physical tethers. However, there is an ultimate physical constraint to all of this technology. None of these multimodal systems, from continuous gate cameras to autonomous truck fleets and subaquatic robotics, can function on traditional public cellular networks or legacy Wi-Fi. Maritime ports are exceptionally hostile environments for telecommunications. Hardware must be ruggedized against corrosive atmospheric salt and extreme vibrations, while the simultaneous transmission of high-definition video demands massive data bandwidth and ultra-low latency. To prevent bandwidth saturation, major port operators deploy localized edge computing frameworks. Rather than transmitting raw video, heavy deep learning inference is executed locally at the camera node, distilling raw pixels into lightweight metadata. Only this metadata, like a container ID or worker coordinate, is transmitted. This localized execution ensures critical safety algorithms can trigger split-second shutdowns without a centralized cloud server. To support this edge architecture, ports construct dedicated private 5G networks, utilizing specific frequency ranges like the N77 spectrum band. This grants terminal operators absolute sovereign control over bandwidth allocation, keeping mission-critical safety protocols entirely interference-free. Advanced computer vision algorithms are entirely theoretical unless they are supported by a sovereign, ultra-low latency digital backbone capable of securely moving the data they generate. The comprehensive integration of these systems transforms the physical terminal into a hyper-connected, predictive digital twin of global commerce. As these automated nodes achieve wider geographical density, they generate compounding macroeconomic network effects. When both the shipping origin and the receiving destination utilize automated computer vision, freight undergoes identical objective verification at both ends of its transit. As illustrated here, this establishes absolute accountability. If cargo owners and shipping lines disagree regarding freight condition, the data flows directly via application programming interfaces between the ports. Both parties possess identical time-stamped visual evidence, rapidly resolving massive liability claims. Suppliers shipping to multiple global facilities no longer force haulage operators to adapt to fragmented, idiosyncratic manual receiving procedures. Instead, the industry standardizes around a consistent, automated, mathematically objective process. By deploying edge-computed AI architectures spanning from the entry gate to the subaquatic hull, the maritime industry effectively hard-codes mathematical truth, structural resilience, and absolute velocity directly into the circulatory system of the global economy.